After 5 years with Jordan Brand, WNBA star Satou Sabally joined Adidas in 2025. That partnership is already paying off in terms of special editions. Following last year's release of the DON Issue 6 Unicorn PSE, the three-time All-Star is introducing a new model that will see a public release. A vibrant version of the Crazy Energy silhouette. Stay tuned for all the details on the new Adidas Crazy Energy Satou Sabally PE launching in July 2026. Sabally's design, launching alongside Sophie Cunningham's pink sneakers, features a bright orange and yellow upper. Satou Sabally's Adidas Crazy Energy PE incorporates striking lime green details. The color shifts from a golden yellow around the heel to a more intense orange toward the front, where matching laces and a glossy toe overlay complete the front of the shoe. Sabrina Ionescu and Brianna Stewart aren't the only New York Liberty stars with their own signature sneakers. Like Sophie Cunningham at Indiana, Satou Sabally joins her fellow superstars with her own exclusive model. Lime green shows through the cutout sections along both sides, then appears again on the midfoot support piece, outsole, tongue branding, and heel logo. Raised lines give the molded upper more shape, while perforations near the toe and extra padding around the heel round out the build. The interior changes things up with a multicolor leaf print in green, orange, yellow, and black. It is the most detailed part of the design and adds something different without carrying that pattern across the rest of the shoe. Sabally now plays for the New York Liberty, though the orange-heavy palette also connects with the Phoenix Mercury colors she wore last season. The Adidas Crazy Energy Satou Sabally PE will release July 24, 2026. It will be available through adidas.com and select retailers for $120. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now! Thanks for watching Station Kicks and Foot Gear on YouTube. Check out our guides and join us in every video. For more exclusive content, subscribe now.